Hello viewers, I am Maithili. Today we are going to see 11th CBSE Maths Linear Inequalities exercise 6.3 question number 3. Let's see the question. Solve the following of the inequalities graphically. So we need to solve it by graph. Here the given question is 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 6 and 3x plus 4y is less than or equal to 12. Now we are going to take the value to be equal to the equation to be equal to, only then we can able to solve it. So I am going to take let 2x plus y is equal to 6. The same way here 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. We know to solve this graph by substituting the value of x and y. Now taking x to be 0, we know that y is equal to 6. If I substitute x to be 0 here, this becomes 0, so y will be equal to 6. If I substitute x to be y to be 0, then my x will be equal to 2x is equal to 6, then x will be equal to 3. The same way here also substitute the value x to be 0. If x to be 0, then y will be equal to 4 3s are 12, so y will be 3. Just substitute and check whether we are getting 3. If you don't know, just substitute the value, solve it and check. If I substitute y is 0, then my x will be equal to 4. Now plot the point in the graph. I have drawn the graph. Let me plot it. For the first graph it is 0, 6. So 0, 6 here. Then 3, 0 is here. So join the graph. Extend the graph also. Join the 2 points and extend. Now the same way the other one is 0, 3, 4, 0. Plot it, join it. Plot one by one so that you will not get any confusion. After plotting the point, join it, then plot the another one. Now this is the graph for the equation equal to, but we want the inequality graph. For that, take any point. If I take 0, 0, let's see whether it gives the solution or not. If I substitute 0, 0 here, it becomes substituting 0, 0. I get 0 is greater than or equal to 6. This is false because 0 is less than 6. So in this case it is false. In the second case, if I substitute 0, 0, I get 0 is less than or equal to 12. We know, take only the less than value or greater than value, not the equal to value. We know that 0 is less than 12. Yes, it is less than 12, so it is true. In the second case, it is true. So as we have taken the point 0, 0, for the first equation, the line is here. I have taken a point 0, 0, so it doesn't satisfy the equation, so it should be away from the 0, 0 point. We have taken the point here. We need to mark the graph, mark the shaded region away from 0, 0 because it is not satisfying the equation. So it should be away. So shade it such a way that is away. Now by substituting the second line for 0, 0, it satisfied, so it should be towards 0, 0. So I am just marking the line, shading the point which is towards 0, 0. So this is the point where we are getting both we can see both the line, both the shaded region are here, so your solution is here. So we need to write that. The shaded region is away from the origin for this point. and for this the shaded region is is towards the origin. So we have marked the shaded region away for this and towards for this. Therefore, we can say that the common shaded region shows the solution of the inequality. So that's all with the sum. Thank you.